Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in the Netherlands. First, you will need an OV-chip card, which is your key to all public transport. You can easily buy an anonymous card at train stations, supermarkets, or tobacco shops. Remember to load sufficient credit onto your card at ticket machines or service desks before you travel. This card makes your journey smooth and simple. Using your OV-chip card is straightforward. Always remember to tap in when you board any public transport vehicle and tap out when you exit. This ensures you are charged the correct fare. For train travel, you will need a minimum balance of €20 on your card. For buses, trams, and metros, a minimum of €4 is typically required to start your journey. Planning your journey is made easy with several helpful tools. We recommend using the 9292 app or Google Maps for up-to-the-minute travel information and route planning. Always check for any potential disruptions or delays before you head out, especially during peak hours. You will find that public transport operates very frequently, particularly within and between major cities. The Dutch public transport network is extensive, featuring trains, trams, buses, and metros. In larger cities, you can also find convenient night buses that run after regular service hours. For visitors making only one or two very short trips, a disposable ticket might be a simpler option than an OV-chip card. Enjoy exploring the beautiful Netherlands with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.